And the one from Santa.
No, it's not for Santa.
It's not, who's it from?
My mom. A box! I've always wanted one!
Good.
You're funny.
Now we'll know what to get you for your birthday. Just a bunch of boxes.
I don't want boxes.
No? Why not?
They're boxes.
Okay. All right, Megan, you don't have to do all that. You can,
Open up the cup.
yeah,
What's in it then?
just open it up right there.
Let me help you.
You're right. Yay!
What's in there? Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
what a pretty purse.
Yeah. Give me the box. That is a pretty purse, girl.
It has W on it.
For Wubbzy?
Or I can flip it over the right way.
Oh, that is cool.
And then it's an M for my Wubbzy. Oh, look at Flower. He's making it out like he was such a good cat all day yesterday.
And he wasn't.
I'm gonna think that this is little extra.
Because of the wrapping? Yeah, you might be fooled.
I want food.
Oh, you know what that? Yeah.
What's that?
It's a thing that when you open it up, you can put your dirty clothes in it in your bedroom.
Oh, that's really gonna help.
Yeah. Instead of throwing them all over the room.
Hey, I put them in the laundry basket.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Not here, you don't.
Yeah, so that's gonna help me here.
No. Oh, we can keep. Oh.
Okay, and maybe this is kind of something Barbie. Ooh, cowboy critters!
Oh, those are cute.
What is we guess? Mommy told you?
Mommy got some of this stuff.
Yeah.
I thought I told else for you guys.
Well, it is for both of us. Mommy's a better little girl shopper than Dad is.
Yeah.
Victorious song!
Who?
Victorious. The show I watch.
I know. I know.
He can sing. Let me guess. Little pet shop.
Let's see.
Yep, I was right.
You love that thing, don't you?
Oh my gosh, I get to color these.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'm serious. Look.
Oh, that is so cool.
Come on. Yeah. Oh, please. I won't open that.
Open. You got more. Those are cute.
Those are cool. Quack, quack, quack. Alright. Strawberry, cotton candy, and grape.
Hold on a second.